Guys, welcome to One Man One Voice stand-up comedian. Listen, today is another gbege. A gbege, another powerful one. Last time I was talking about love can see. Today I have another one for you. So I don't want any of you to miss it. Like I always say to you, that please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Listen to me. Some of you might be wondering where I am. I am in Jamaica, in another part of the entire world. Where I am running, even though I am running for ghost. I want to run for ghost. For all those people that I want to run. So wherever you are, please don't miss this video. And I have a star of today. And the star of today, I will review when I come to the video. So therefore, please don't fail to watch this video. I will see you in the next. Hey, it's time to run. Hey. Wow! Yes, that is South Sudan killing it again. We all know that we lost South Sudan not quite long ago. And may his soul rest in peace. And this is South Sudan music featuring Whiskey. Please, let everyone begin to concern with their own matters. That is the song. So go and check South Sudan, please assist him and support his music. Now that he's gone, this is the best thing that we can do for him, is to keep on the music going on and on. And I know in heaven where he is, he will be so happy for as many that are supporting him. Please go and visit the platform of South Sudan. It has other music, nice music that you need to hear. Like this is one of Land, and we have come back from the break. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Even to them more. Share it to everybody, and they will receive credit. Like I said, I'm not here to waste time. I'm here to give you the packages. Listen, people think it's only men that used to cheat. Every time they think it's only men that used to cheat. Women cheat too. Women cheat very well. I'm telling you, even the one the women cheat, I think if we scale it together, if we put it on the scale, you see that the women own is higher than the men own. Because when a woman start to cheat, you no go know where in from they come. When they shoot an arrow from they come like Bagatan. Like AK-47. Like a military barrack that stands to face a war in another country. That's how their own come. Because many women, when they start cheating, they used to, if you check their phone, you will see like 32 cousins. Some people 5 million cousins. Every boyfriend is a cousin. If he doesn't talk to cousin, it's a brother. If it's not a brother, it's a twins. You understand me? So, let us not be like this girl. That the girl every boyfriend he meet, and when the boyfriend take him to his own house, and a call will come on her phone. And when the call comes, the boyfriend will ask him, who is calling you at this time? He says, my cousin. And when the boyfriend check, he will see Temitope, Funke, Ade, Yeyesi, even Baranganda. He will see them and ask him, who is this thing? He says, it's my cousin or immediate brother. If not immediate brother, it's my father. This is going on and on and on and on and on. This is what this girl has been doing. Different boy he has met. Every boy he meet, he will turn the other boy. Like he will meet this boy. As they would agree that his boyfriend. When they start dating, he has another boyfriend. Oh. When that one call, he will tell that one that this is his brother. And this has been going on until one day, monkey go market and cannot come back again. Breeze blow, Awunyash open. That day was in a party where that boy, one of the boyfriend, out of his numerous boyfriend, one of his boyfriend just took him to that place. As he took him to this party, they went to this party, she dressed very well, not knowing that another boyfriend that he has been going to will be in that party. Not even one, not even two, 6 of them. And they were in the party. And they went to the party. The boy that have seen him and told him, there's a party I want to take you to. He refused, he didn't go with the boy. Not knowing that he didn't go. Another one I invited didn't go. And this one that was Because he know that this one has more money. He follow this one, not knowing that it's the same party. And when they meet in the circle, Beauty, she look at them. And the guy was saying, Beauty, what are you in this party? What are you doing here? Who is this guy? And the guy was saying, Beauty, who is these guys that are here? He just said, please excuse me. He took the guy to the other place. And he said to the guy, this is my brother. He said, your brother, why are you running away from your brother? He ran to the other guy, told the other guy that is his brother. And they say, so all of us are your brothers. All of us that are dating are your brothers. They said, okay, fine. Since you are your brothers, fine. He didn't know that all of them already know that that she is lying. And not knowing that those people, they are ritualists. And what happened? They said, okay, they now agree. And said, okay, they form and say, okay, oh, we are your brothers. Yeah, we are brother. And this one that is going out with you is your boyfriend. Is that also? He said, no, he's my brother. So all of us are your brothers. They agree and they decide to go out with him. They decide to do what? Play with him in the party. And at the end of the day, they put him in the car. And they were going out with him. And they were going, driving in the car. A call now came. And one of them said, Chief Priest. Chief Priest, yes, we have gotten the girl. The girl is right, is the same locate, the same description that you thought that will give us more money. The girl said, who is the girl? They say, shut up your mouth. If you make noise here now, if you make noise here, we'll start to ritual you from here. And that was how they carried the girl to one bush. And they carried the girl to where they went and give it to one Baba. And the Baba said, hey, this is the kind of girl that we need for more money. And that was how they give this girl out. Those of you that is always playing men, that every time that is of you to choose one boy as your boy, you want to numerate boy everywhere. Numerate boy everywhere. Everywhere you want to numerate boy. Every boy that you see is your. If you break that one, another one come up. He said this one is your boy. Is your brother. When that one see you with a call, who are you talking to? He says my sister. You change the name of a boy that his name is supposed to be Tunde. You change it to Gloria. You see another name again in your phone, and that name is your boyfriend. You change that one to Mrs. You differentiate. That is how one day you will go and be caught up with ritualists, and they will gang up and take the person to go and do otokoto. So be careful and date one boy as your boyfriend. Follow one partner as your partner, so that your life will be simple. Anyway, we have come to the end of this show. This is what you want to one of Ihala. This is one man, one voice. Don't comment. Please subscribe, comment, like this video, follow this video, and share this video to them more, so that your life will not remain the same again. Thank you very much. As we end up with Sound Sultan and Whiskey. Please go and support Sound Sultan. I will see you in the next episode.